Welcome to Common Computer Private Limited, e-learning program of ticketing tool for L1 IT support. So in the earlier presentations, we have discussed about what is a ticket lifecycle management, what are the tools available, and what is the tool used in the middle level management as well as enterprise level organizations based on the budget, based on the size. So they have different types of tools available, and they can select the tools based on the need, like different types of modules available. Whatever the tool you are going to use, every tool is going to have a ITIL framework. Everybody is following the same ITIL framework. There may be changes in how they process it, how they define the process. So otherwise, if you see, more or less all the tools will be of same design only. Basic framework will be same, but they'll differentiate in their activity or workflow or how fast they are producing the result, all those things. So Jira, we are going to see about one of the key tool available in the industry, and it is being mostly used by medium and small enterprise organizations. And we'll see how the workflow is available for Jira. And we also see the ManageEngine tool in the next presentation so that you'll have better idea how to work on the different tools. So Jira is one of the service management tool available in the industry. People are choosing it and they are adapting it, and they'll be able to work on the ITSM framework. And there are two different things we have to understand here. Uh, One is we have on-premises setup where the entire services will be installed as a software, as a package in different types of service. And now we are also getting cloud-based model. So they are provisioning two things. We'll discuss more in the presentation. Now, some of the features we have mentioned here. These are all the default features or minimum features required for a ticketing tool. Suppose you are buying a ticketing, you are new to the organization, you are assigned to activity for implementing service management. So what you need to choose or what you need to decide. If suppose you are buying a ticketing tool, normally you'll have incident management and request management embedded into it. Without that, you will not get the tool, right? So minimum you'll have both these things. But will it satisfy my requirement of ITSM framework, ITIL framework? No. I need to have additional modules. At least you have more than 20 modules available in the industry, but at least you need to have these modules, which is very much necessary for running the business. Suppose you are a network admin or a system admin, you are the implementer for ITSM solution for the organization. This particular demo will be very much useful to you. They are also giving you 30 days demo where you can test it and we can see the advantage, disadvantage, and then we can go for a live connections. But choosing the module, so ensure that minimum these modules are available in the tool so that we fulfill the ITL framework and we get the benefit out of the tool, ticketing tool available in the industry. So these are the basic modules, right? Incident module, request management module, asset management, problem management, change, configuration, and knowledge. So all these things will be helping you to build a strong database and strong system so that with the help of available data, you will be able to come out with some good analysis and ensure the organization is getting benefited out of it. So, you know, the general definition of incident management. Apart from that, like bringing the services as quickly as possible, that is the definition of incident management. What this tool says is, apart from the common definition, this tool is also helping connecting multiple people from multiple activities, maybe a software development team, testing team, along with the IT team. Because if the software team is trying to install a software, they want a support from IT team. There is a problem in hardware, they need a support from IT team. So they need to have interaction with the IT team shift by shift or always. Now, how do I remember which IT person I can call? or which person available in the shift. So if you don't have the ticketing system, you need to chase by the person or by the phone number. If they are not available, you are not going to work. So what we can do is, if once you have a ticketing system, you have an issue, you are going to raise a ticket in the ticketing tool. It is going to get assigned to a specific person in the shift, and he or she is going to provide a support for resolving the issues. That is the best advantage of having ticketing tool in the industry. So it is going to bring all the people together and work for an organization. So that is the basic incident management tool what we have. Alerting and on-call management. So we have a event management available, but that will be generating alerts from the uh, tool, SolarWinds or any other monitoring tool. Those alerts will be converted as a ticket. So normally what we'll do, we'll integrate SolarWinds with the ticketing tool, whatever it is, Jira or ServiceNow or whatever the tool we have, we'll be integrating. So once the alert is triggered, immediately here the ticket will be created and ticket will be assigned to the specific tower. If suppose server related tickets, it will go to the server tower, network related tickets will go to the network tower. So that is how it is designed based on the CI. CI is nothing but configuration item. So server is the configuration item, network router switches is the configuration item. So it will get assigned to a specific person. And on-call schedules, routing rules, and escalation policies. So everything can be customized in the tool so that we need not worry about what is required to be done in each shift. So once I set it for a month, it will be taken care. Until otherwise, there is a change. Suppose a person is on emergency leave, somebody is not available, lead, the particular shift lead can go to the tool and make a modification. Suppose today I'm getting a call in the morning 8 o'clock mentioning that somebody is not available because of the health issue. So what we can do is I can arrange for alternate person and I will remove the X person from the list. I'll just remove the tick. So that ticket will not get assigned to him or her and the new person will be taking care of the ticket. And also, if possible, if there is any escalation for the person X tickets, I will redirect all these tickets to the person Y. So whoever is available in the shift today, he will handle the tickets of person X. So these kind of management activities can be done easily with this particular Jira tool. And major incident escalations. If suppose normally the escalation means hierarchical escalation or level-wise escalation. What happens in the normal ticket? If suppose a normal ticket is raised, P2 or P3 is raised, and L1 team is not responded within 15 minutes, immediately the ticket will get escalated to the next level. It will go to the L2 team. L2 team have to respond. If L2 is not responding, it will go to the L3 team. Likewise, it will go to the top level of the team available in the list as per the list escalation matrix, right? So we have automation available, one thing. Otherwise, we have service desk team available. They can also follow the same kind of matrix. If they are not getting the response from a particular tower, they can start escalating it within 15 minutes or 30 minutes of time because the issue is like that. If it is a major incident, there's a different scenario um, because it is a P1 or P0 based on the impact or based on the loss, what is the company is going to incur. So they configure that as a P1 ticket or P0 ticket. So we'll be pulling the people inside the bridge. There will be a bridge for running this particular major incident. All the organizations has this kind of concept. There will be a MIM bridge, major incident management bridge. We also call it as RRT, rapid response team. So this team will have quick resolution and we'll have all senior most people available in this team so that they'll take very short span of time to fix the issues, whatever the issue may be. And there'll be some team of people available. MIM team people will be a coordinating people and they will organize for a call. They will invite people and send out the mail communication. So apart from pulling the people inside the bridge, network team, server team, every team should be there inside the bridge. So apart from pulling the people in the bridge, they have to maintain a common communication. So for that, they'll be using a template. They would have got already template like initial communication, middle communication, and end communication because you'll have standard to list available, CC list available, BCC available. So whenever there is a P1, there is a SOP, standard operating procedure, which you have to follow completely, so that that is proper communication is given to the end users, to the leadership team, and the issue is being tracked very closely, and all the support towers are available. So normally what happens is P3, P4 ticket, a ticket go to the server team, and they will say, I need the network configuration to be done. They will transfer it to the network team. That's it. Network team will take the ticket only 7 days or 10 days. Then you will not be able to complete the overall requirement. But in case of major incident management, everybody is in the bridge. Any decision to be taken, MIM, the coordinator, has all the authority to take decisions like restarting of the service, restarting of the server, and they know the impact also. They will be trying to reach the stakeholder, specific service line manager. If they are not available, they have the authority to comment and inform the technical team to perform the reboot and all. So that is how the major incident management is designed and working in the real-time industry. Awareness and communication. So this is very much required during the something like once the issue is created, P1 or P0 ticket is created, immediately the initial communication is sent to the stakeholders. Normally, MIM team will have the templates, what need to be communicated, how fast. They cannot frame all the sentences from the beginning, right? So they'll have standard template. They'll just fill in the template, what is the issue when it is created, overall accommodated, how many users are impacted. There'll be some standard questionnaire available. So they'll just complete it and provide the details to the stakeholders. So once the initial communication is established, there will be some frequency to be maintained, like 30 minutes once or 2 hours once. We have to provide the update to the stakeholders and communication to the sent to the customers, because this is a major issue. They should know whether what is the impact of it, how many users are affected, how many services are affected. So for getting that information, this mail communication is very important. And even if there is a shift change for major incident team, there will be some shift handover, like how the technical team is changing the shift after handing over. Here also we'll have people handing over the details in the MIM team also. They'll continue the communication because one person is left. We cannot say I cannot send the mail. I don't know what mail is sent. That's the reason the mail loop will be available for all the users, so that they'll be able to reach out to the right person and send out the proper communication. So that is the awareness and communication. The MIM person who is available in the bridge, he should aware whom to communicate, how to communicate, and how to re-communicate. So all those details. Reporting and analytics. So here we have to pull the report from the tool and do the analysis and provide the details. Sometimes there are some standard template available, a tool called Tableau. So we can directly use that Tableau tool for generating the report. And most of the time we go with online presentation. So everybody will be connected online and they provide the details through online only. No presentation, separate PPT is required for their team meetings. So customer will be happy to see the online details. So that way we are going with reporting tool. Reporting should be daily, monthly, weekly, and quarterly, half yearly. So likewise, it will keep on added up. So we should ensure that the reports are sent at right time to the right people. So there should not be any delay. And further, we'll have standard templates, so they can fill in the templates that will help the person to work efficiently in the major incident management team. So the other major responsibilities, they have to keep the major dashboard ready for updating all the details. So with this, we are completing the part one of uh, Jira Service Management. So next thing we'll see about request fulfillment as well as the actual tool workflow, how to create a ticket using Jira tool. Thank you very much.